Welcome back to the urban farmyard where this city girl goes country. And today we are tackling a complete disaster zone. It is a zone that strikes fear at the core of my soul. It is my car. Let's go take a look. Guys, I don't know how I'm going to get through today. Today we are tackling my car, which is an area of the house that I just couldn't cope with tackling when I was doing the broader decluttering project. Now, this car is a problem. Firstly, we live in the country, so it is always covered in dirt and grime and goodness knows what else. Secondly, we have the animal rescue centre here on my property, but it's a little distance from the house, and so this car is constantly used to ferry things between the house and the rescue centre. Thirdly, this vehicle is used to transport cats when we're having them desexed, vaccinated and microchipped. Each time we do that, it's a 2-hour trip each way, so 4 hours round circle, and on those days I spend all day in my car, so I end up with cat cages and cat accessories and just everything that I've basically touched on those big desexing days ends up lurking in the car, and it is so bad that I literally cannot get anything else other than myself into the car right now. So if you think your car's bad, let's go take a look at mine. All right, here we go. Hold your breath, we're going in. No, we're not, I haven't got my car keys. Take two. Lord, I feel this is going to be problematic. I've got at least one goat behind me who's going to end up in this car. I also have the lamb. And then we have all of this stuff. So let's go and see how bad it is. Okay, so I think we're going to start with the front of the car. What I'm going to try to do is remove anything that belongs in the house and leave it down here at the house. We're then going to drive up to the rescue centre and get rid of anything that belongs in there. Meanwhile, I have got the first of probably a number of plastic bags so that we can get rid of all the rubbish that's in here. Right, let's go do it. Veronique, what are you doing? Get out. No, it's not for you. Get out, out. Off you go. Okay, that's not going to work. I think we're going to have to go up to the rescue centre first. Most things that I can see on the top actually belong up here, so let's go and get rid of these things first. Then we'll come back down to the house and get rid of anything that belongs down here. What a pain in the butt. Rightio, let us start that again. Let's go empty. You two, get out. Come on, babe, out. Up we go. Up. Well, despite my little helpers, we've actually already done the boot. Seriously, that took me 5 minutes, even with these little marauders. Hey, naughty goats, goaties. Right, let's go and tackle another spot. Well, this is exciting. That's another whole side done, and again, it's taken about 5 minutes. So let's go around the other side. Now that the goat's in the front seat, she's at least out of the way. Let's go and tackle the other side. That's another 5 minutes, and the back seat is now completely clear. It's really, really dirty, but we're not going to deal with that right now. So let's go and do the front. say this would be a whole lot easier if I didn't have a goat trying to eat everything. She's honestly a nuisance. She seems to be eating all the mail, so if anyone has sent me anything and I don't reply, she's responsible. Let's go down the other side. You're a pest. Yes, you are. You're a little pest. I love you, but you're a nuisance. Would you believe it? We're done with most of the emptying. Now all we've got to do is get this car back down to the house. We're going to empty the things that are in the boot, which are the things that belong in the house, and then we can think about cleaning it. I don't know if I really feel like cleaning it today, but at least it's empty so I can at least use it again. So now we have the final step. Well, it's actually not the final step. There are more steps to come. The final step for today, I'm just going to remove everything. Hello, Lambert. I'm going to remove everything that's in the boot that belongs in the house. I'm going to pop it in the house, and I'm actually not going to clean today. The reason is I know that tomorrow I've got quite a messy job moving things again in the car, and it doesn't really make a lot of sense to clean it before I do all that moving. So let's go get this stuff out. I can't believe we've done it. We've actually done it. And you know what? It didn't take nearly as long as what I was expecting it to take, which actually makes me think I should probably have just gotten in and gotten this done a long time ago. So I hope you've enjoyed today. I hope this has made you feel a little bit better about your own car, and I will see you back here tomorrow.